Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update firmware on your Marshall speaker. So to do this you have to download the Marshall Bluetooth application, and then all you have to do is just to click on this firmware update information when it appears on the screen, and then you have to click on the update firmware. Of course you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and now just wait until the download will be finished. Okay, and as you can see, after a few minutes the update is finished. And that's all for this video. Hope you liked it.